Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the Samsung sound and speaker problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A33 and A33 5G. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you are having any issue related to the sound or the speaker of the device, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the sound and speaker problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A33. Let's watch the video.